Is there something I can do to improve cold water flow through my tankless hot water heater?
Hello there. In today's guide, we'll be addressing a common problem some homeowners face with their tankless hot water heaters: inadequate cold water flow. By following a few simple steps, you can improve the cold water flow and enjoy more consistent temperatures from your heater.
Is your water heater the issue?
Before proceeding to solutions, we must first ascertain if the reduced cold water flow is a heater problem or if it's a wider issue with your home's water system. To do this, you should test the water flow at various outlets around your home. If the low water pressure is consistent across all outlets, you likely have a plumbing issue and might need a plumber's help.
Checking the inlet filter.
Tankless water heaters come with inlet filters designed to prevent debris from getting into the system. Over time, these can become clogged and may reduce the water flow. To rectify this, switch off the water heater and close the water supply. Open the inlet filter compartment and clean the filter. After this, reopen the water supply and check the flow.
Inspecting for pipe issues.
If cleaning the inlet filter doesn't help, there might be issues with the plumbing connected to your water heater. Inspect for any kinks, leaks, or blockages that might be restricting the flow of water. If you do find such issues, a plumber can assist in rectifying them.
Considering a pre-filter.
Sometimes, your water might have a higher level of sediment or minerals, which can frequently clog your heater's inlet filter. In such cases, installing a pre-filter can help improve the cold water flow. A pre-filter traps these sediments before they reach your water heater, reducing the chances of clogging.
Checking for valve issues.
Finally, make sure all the valves connected to your heater are fully open. Sometimes, a partially closed valve can result in reduced water flow. If you find any valve that's not fully open, adjust it to allow maximum water flow. So there you have it. These are some of the most common ways to improve the cold water flow through your tankless hot water heater. Always remember to consult a professional if you're unsure about any of these steps, as DIY can sometimes lead to more complex issues. We hope you found this guide helpful, and you're on your way to enjoying more consistent and satisfying showers.